Hello, and welcome to another Adverity Platform guide. In this video, we're going to show you how to use Adverity's AI-powered Enrichment Copilot to configure custom script transformations within Adverity. But first, what are custom scripts, and how does the Enrichment Copilot work? Adverity offers standard enrichments, which provide a user-friendly interface for you to transform your data in a specific way. However, if you want to make more advanced enrichments, you can also create custom scripts that let you build bespoke custom transformations to transform your data exactly how you want it. And with Adverity's AI-powered Enrichment Copilot, creating custom scripts is even easier. Simply tell the Copilot how you would like to transform your data, and the Copilot will provide a step-by-step instruction on how to achieve the transformation. No regex or Python knowledge required. To create custom scripts with the Enrichment Copilot, first head over to the Enrichments page, click Create Enrichment, and then click Custom Script. After choosing which data streams you want to apply the enrichment to, you'll see the Copilot interface on the right. Now, it's time to tell the Copilot how you would like to transform your dataset. In this example, let's say we want to change the pipe to an underscore as the delimiter in our campaign names. To do this, simply type the requirement, I want to change the pipe symbols in the column campaign name to underscores into the text box. By the way, it's useful to note here that the Copilot can only answer requests in English. Now, all you need to do is follow the instructions provided by the Copilot. First, let's select Convert X as an instruction in the Select Instructions field. Then, copy campaign name across as the field name that contains the data we want to convert. Lastly, copy across the Python expression provided by the Copilot. You can check whether it works as expected by clicking the Table Preview tab at the top of the page. The affected column is highlighted in blue, and you can see that the instruction works. You can now save the enrichment or add another instruction. Let's try another example. Let's say you want to add a column to the dataset and populate it with delicious if the column campaign name contains the word cupcake. Again, we can just tell the Copilot in English what we want to achieve and wait for it to return the instructions. As the Copilot instructs, click Add Instruction and select the instruction Add Field X. The Copilot suggests delicious flag as the name for the new column. Let's roll with it and copy it across as a field name. Then, copy the Python expression across. We are fine with adding the field as the last column of the dataset, so we'll stick with -1 as the field index. We won't need a subtable, so this field can stay blank. Now, you can check the table preview to see whether the transformation works as expected. Again, the affected column is highlighted in blue, and you can see that the instruction works. When you are happy with the instructions, simply click Next. Then, give your enrichment a name and click Create to save it. And there you go. That's how easy it is to apply custom data transformations with the Enrichment Copilot. Thanks for watching. For more information on using the Enrichment Copilot or creating custom scripts in general, be sure to check out the Adverity documentation.